Alright, next up, we are working with Plant-B18. So let's see. B18 is a bubble giant. It is grown in a 5-inch pot. And looking at it, overall it looks pretty good. Here's a picture that is kind of snug against the pot rim, so I'll adjust it a little bit and bring it out so it can continue to grow. Just looking for anything that's impacted. Overall, this is a very nice and open growing configuration, which is nice. Are there any old pictures or leaves that needs to be removed? Let's see. Yes, this one. So you see we have a leaf down here. So I'll go ahead and trace it back. I believe I can see where it began. And just give it a gentle push and see if it will come out. If it doesn't come out, I'll leave it. Sometimes it's best to just leave things where they are and let it age and deteriorate naturally. Now I do notice a picture over here. Can it be maneuvered and moved and let it develop nicely? Let me see. Let me see where, how did it get to be here? Where's the main, okay, the main stem is over here. So I can probably maneuver this one and gently move it to its new location over here so it can develop nicely. Okay. And there's one just right behind it. So I think I'll leave it be. Okay, so overall, this is a nice looking plant. It has a few pictures, some developing. This one is growing well. I'll probably let it develop because in front of it is an older picture, and it'll be its future home. All right, that's it for this one. And now I'm going to feed it. 1, 2. I just remember it's this one, and right underneath I have some writing. You see the writing? So I'll remember that's the one. So we'll do a merry-go-round. Now this one is growing this way, right? So what I do is I take one of these things that you get when you buy your coffee and set it so that it is in a good position, so I can feed it. This one is okay. Alright. Alright. So that one was fed. Feed some this one. Feed some this one. Here. I turn this way. I got 3 mouths to feed over here. 1, 2, 3. And I am not adding that much into the pitcher again. So start over from this boy. Add a little bit more water to further dilute the solution to make sure it doesn't brown. And there you have it. Okay, so that's it for this picture and this plant. If you have any comments or have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a good day.